I want to welcome you to Big Mama, Team Big Mama's first Zumba fundraiser. We're going to have Relay for Life on May 17th here in the city of Patterson. Come out, share with us, learn with us. It's for a great cause. It's for cancer. Look at, I'm losing a few pounds already. Are you ready? Are you ready to sweat?
Baby. Yeah, yeah. Say it again. And this time, I'ma make you scream. Yeah. I see you over there, so oh, look at that from back in. Baby, baby.
Exerting all this energy. I love it. Thank you.
And we have Danielle's Gentle Hand. She's doing massages over here in this corner. I'm pretty sure we can use some massages after a good workout. She's doing massages $15 for 15 minutes. And lastly, we have Newsflash. Newsflash is one of the partners for this event also. We are a new company. We are around 6 months old now, and we are a news media company. And we really believe in community and giving back to community. And one of the things that we see that is a lack in the urban communities is health and wellness. There are not enough health and wellness lounges. There are not enough gyms. There's not enough places for you to even become educated about how you can prevent certain diseases and illnesses and how to eat correctly. So Newsflash aspires to be an outlet for you to do that. So that's why it was really important for us to partner with Relay for Life and American Cancer Society and making this thing happen and going out and getting those sponsors and letting them know how important it is that they come into these communities and that they service us. So we're just really happy that you all came out, really blessed to see everybody's face here, that you came out, you cared enough to put that investment in your health today and be a part of this event. So when you're on your way out on the Starbucks table, you'll see Newsflash flyers and cards. We would love for you to become acquainted with everything that we're doing. We have a lot of events coming up, and we look forward to seeing you all there. Now, we're going to break into our meditation meltdown. One thing I wanted to tell you about meditation, if you don't know anything else, it's about breathing and aligning your body. You want to make sure that when you're doing so we're all going to go into an Indian stance and get on the floor. The first thing that we want to do is I want you to pull your shoulders back. You want to be straight so that air can flow in and out of your body. And as we're meditating, you're taking 5 breaths in, so you're counting 5 in, and then you're letting it go. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out. We're not getting it in our communities. I mean, when you go to our corner stores, there's a bunch of chips and juices and everything that kills you. There's not enough fruit. There's not enough, of the things that are great for you. We have the green tea because green tea detoxifies you. You have the water, you put lemon in it, it alkalizes it, it also detoxifies you. So the time that we take to invest in everything else, it's just so important that we take that time to invest into our own selves and that we take that time to invest into the longevity of our lives, being there for our children and being able to spread this word to other people. Take a piece of what you learned today and spread it to somebody else and tell somebody else so that when you see another event like this or you see an opportunity in these communities like ours, that you reach out and you really become a part of it so that we can make things like this not an occasional event, but something that's happening weekly or something that's happening, a couple of weeks in our lives because we really need it. So I just really, really thank everybody for coming out. Carla is going to take the mic now because it's time for some door prizes. It's time for some winning. And Carla?
I'm right here.
Oh, there she go.
All right, before you ladies get up, do we have any cancer survivors in the house? Any cancer survivors? Cancer survivors? No? Oh, come up to the front, sweetheart. We like to acknowledge our cancer survivors. That's right. You're a living testimony. So, with that being said, we just want to encourage you to keep up the fight. Keep fighting. You're not alone. We love you. And we just want to give you a little medal. Are you her caregiver?
No, my friend.
Well, you're a caregiver right now, baby. That's right. You hold on to your friend. Your friend is hard to find her. But we just want to acknowledge you and say, keep fighting. All right. You want to put him on a picture?